Today we are tackling a classic, conditional trigonometric identity that frequently catches students off guard. Given the condition, a plus b plus c equals 180 degrees, which simply means a, b and c are angles of a triangle, we need to evaluate the sum of the pairwise products of their half-angle tangents. Let's start with the standard rigorous method you would need for a subjective exam. We begin with our given condition, a plus b plus c equals 180 degrees. Now, if we divide the entire equation by 2, we get a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 equals 90 degrees, which simplifies beautifully to a by 2 plus b by 2 equals 90 degrees minus c by 2. Now let's take the tangent function on both sides of this equation to introduce the tan terms we need for our expression. Recall your standard compound angle formula for tan of x plus y, and remember from allied angles that tan of 90 degrees minus theta equals cot theta. Expanding both sides gives you as the fraction tan of a by 2 plus tan of b by 2 divided by 1 minus tan of a by 2 times tan of b by 2 equals cot of c by 2. Since cot of x equals 1 by tan of x, we can rewrite the right side to keep everything cleanly in terms of tangents, making cross multiplication clean and straightforward. Now let's cross multiply. Multiply tan of c by 2 with the numerator on the left and multiply the denominator with 1 on the right. This gives us tan of a by 2 times tan of c by 2 plus tan of b by 2 times tan of c by 2 equals 1 minus tan of a by 2 times tan of b by 2. Finally, rearrange the equation by moving the negative product term from the right side over to the left side. Look at that beautiful result. Tan of a by 2 times tan of b by 2 plus tan of b by 2 times tan of c by 2 plus tan of c by 2 times tan of a by 2 equals 1. Now, what if you are sitting for an objective competitive exam like JEE or a PGT math paper? You don't have 2 minutes to write out a full derivation. You need the answer immediately. We know from standard trigonometric values that tan of 30 degrees equals 1 by root 3. Let's plug this directly into our target expression. 1 by root 3 times 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 times 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 times 1 by root 3, which simplifies to 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3. In just a few seconds of basic arithmetic, we confirm the exact same result, 1. This is the true power of smart value substitution.